Tight spaces don't mean you have to sacrifice style or comfort. In this video, we're breaking down amazing space-saving furniture ideas from Amazon that are designed to do more while taking up less room. These smart picks are perfect for apartments, condos, and anyone looking to maximize every inch of their home. Let's get into it. 100% solid oak lift-top coffee table instantly upgrades small spaces by combining premium craftsmanship with hidden high-capacity storage that keeps clutter out of sight. The adjustable lift mechanism smoothly raises the tabletop to a comfortable height, making it perfect for working, dining, or relaxing without needing extra furniture. With multiple storage compartments built in, everyday essentials stay organized while the room looks clean and elevated. Lockable swivel casters and a fully assembled design make this table easy to move, versatile for any room, and ready to use the moment it arrives. This fluted TV stand transforms small living rooms into a modern luxury space by combining a sleek, curved profile with space-saving closed and open storage. Adjustable shelves and spacious cabinets make it easy to organize media devices, games, and decor without clutter taking over the room. The faux marble top delivers the upscale look of real stone while staying lightweight, durable, and easy to maintain. Built-in cable management and soft closed doors keep everything quiet, tidy, and visually clean for a polished, high-end setup. These stackable storage bins are designed to maximize vertical space, making them perfect for small homes, closets, and tight corners that need better organization. The translucent front panels and dual opening design let items be accessed quickly without unstacking or digging through boxes. Built-in wheels and a secure magnetic front door make them easy to move while keeping contents safely in place. When not in use, the bins fold flat and stack securely, creating a flexible, clutter-free storage solution that adapts to any space. This mini fridge stand with storage instantly upgrades small spaces by lifting appliances off the floor while adding multiple shelves for organized storage. Built from thick wood and durable steel, it provides a stable, space-efficient base for a fridge, microwave, or coffee setup without wobbling. The integrated power strip on the middle shelf keeps cords contained and appliances conveniently plugged in, reducing countertop clutter. Its sleek, modern design and multi-room versatility make it an ideal solution for apartments, dorms, or any space that needs smarter vertical organization. This convertible sofa bed is a smart, space-saving solution that instantly transforms from a stylish sofa into a full-length sleeping surface for overnight guests. Its 2-in-1 pull-out design eliminates the need for a separate guest bed, making it ideal for apartments and multi-use rooms. High-density foam and breathable corded fabric provide comfort and support whether sitting or sleeping. Designed to blend seamlessly into living rooms, offices, or guest spaces, it delivers both everyday function and extra sleeping space without sacrificing style. 5-in-1 Ottoman Cube is a powerful space-saving solution that replaces multiple pieces of furniture with one compact, stackable design. When assembled, it functions as comfortable seating, and when separated, it transforms into chairs, a vanity stool, a night table, or a shoe-changing bench. Built with high-density cushioning, a sturdy metal frame, and easy-to-clean fabric, it delivers comfort and durability in small living spaces. Smooth swivel wheels and a nesting design allow it to move easily and store neatly, making it ideal for apartments, condos, and multifunctional rooms. This over-the-door shoe organizer instantly frees up floor space by turning any standard door into high-capacity vertical storage. With room for up to 30 pairs, its wider design and deep pockets neatly hold everything from boots to kids' shoes without crowding. Transparent, breathable fabric makes it easy to spot and grab shoes in seconds while keeping odors under control. Heavy-duty metal hooks keep the organizer securely in place, creating a clutter-free entryway, closet, or bedroom without adding bulky furniture. This inflatable lounge chair offers instant seating without taking up permanent space, making it ideal for small homes and flexible living setups. The soft flocked surface and included footstool provide a comfortable place to relax, whether indoors or outdoors. When not in use, it deflates in minutes and folds down compactly, freeing up valuable floor space. Its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to store, move, or bring along for travel, camping, or balcony lounging. Side table with a built-in charging station is designed to fit into tight spaces while adding both storage and power exactly where it's needed. With outlets and USB ports built in, devices stay charged without extra cords cluttering the room. Its slim 3-tier design provides just enough surface space for essentials like lamps, books, and remotes while keeping floors clear. Durable materials and a clean, modern look make it a practical solution for small living rooms, bedrooms, or home offices. LED table lamp delivers flexible lighting without cords, making it perfect for small spaces that need clutter-free illumination. Touch controls allow easy switching between color modes and precise brightness levels for reading, relaxing, or nighttime ambiance. The built-in rechargeable battery provides hours of use while keeping surfaces free from tangled wires. Its sleek metal design doubles as decor, adding warm, functional lighting to nightstands, desks, or compact living areas. This full-length floor mirror maximizes bedroom space by combining a mirror, coat rack, and storage into one sleek vertical design. The rotating mirror allows easy outfit checks while keeping daily essentials organized in one compact footprint. Crafted from solid wood with a reinforced frame, it delivers long-lasting stability without bulky furniture taking over the room. Its shatter-resistant HD glass adds safety and clarity, making it a smart, space-saving upgrade for modern bedrooms and apartments. This 360-degree swivel vanity chair doubles as hidden storage, making it a smart, space-saving solution for bedrooms and dressing areas. The removable cushioned seat opens to reveal storage space that keeps everyday items neatly tucked away. Its smooth swivel base allows easy movement and flexible seating without needing extra furniture. With a fully assembled, durable design and easy-to-clean upholstery, it delivers comfort, function, and clutter control in one compact piece.